Our retention rate, the short form content, we sit overall at 83%. Our translated videos, which have been live for now 2 months, is currently sitting at 93% watch rate. That means they click into the video and they actually sit down and watch 93% of the video. The numbers are crazy. We use Descript a lot. And when we roll out 50 videos in a quarter sometimes, like, it saves time, a lot of time. And I saw that with Underlord, I'm like, cool, they have translations. Algolia has multiple forms of support, but a lot of people prefer video content. We are, English first. However, when you look at the amount of customers we have and where they're located, it would be foolish not to try and help them out. And so we're launching our academy in 4 different foreign languages. The top tier for me was a very good voiceover. I don't like AI voice dubbing. I don't like AI, faking a person's mouth movement and all that. It's still uncanny valley for me, but also getting people to then re-narrate all these videos is not possible. And I had a bunch of different French speakers all chime in. Some people were like, we need, a Parisian French. Descript had that. We found the right accent, and people were like, this is really good. Like, it's hard to tell most of the time. And so that was ultimately like why we went with Descript. The voiceover was a good quality. And then the interface was incredibly easy to use. I don't know of a simpler tool to use. So we rolled out French. It's 50 plus videos, over 50 actual separate courses. And then we are also going to be launching German, Spanish, and Portuguese. If your plan is to scale large and globally, and you have a small team that you need to make mighty, Descript is a really powerful companion to have.